Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and today we're going to do an unboxing for you of the brand new HWN550 soundbar from Samsung. So first things first, we've got a little tape here on the top, so we're going to cut through that and then get started. So this is a brand new model for 2018. We just got these in. Pretty excited to actually get a chance to listen to it. So up here on the top, the first thing you're going to see is the subwoofer. So we'll take that out, set it back here, and then we've also got a packet of accessories, which I'll go through here in just a second. And then the rest of it is just the speaker itself. And I want to try and do this as simply as I can, but I think we're going to have to take apart the box a little bit here. So we'll rip through that, and we can get to the speaker that way. I think that's everything. So not a ton in the box. We'll get that out of the way. Alright, so we've got our accessory bag here. We'll go through this first. And first things first, we've got the remote. So pretty basic design. This is very similar to their one remote that you see on a lot of their newer, kind of nicer televisions. So you get that in the bag here. You get a couple of AA batteries for that. And let's see what the rest is. Power brick. We've got nothing terribly exciting here at the moment, sorry. Couple of spacers, it looks like, for wall mounting purposes. This is going to be a template that you can put on the wall to mark your holes for wall mounting, so that's nice. You get some hardware to do that right out of the box. Then we've got an optical cable and our power cords. So there's going to be one for the speaker, one for the subwoofer, and some light reading material, or user manual. So we'll kind of set this up here and then open up the speaker and the sub so you can get a look at those as well. And here's the speaker. It's a nice looking soundbar. It's got kind of like this angular sort of look to it on the side, along with some of your buttons. Set that up front here, and all your inputs are on the back. Looks like you get an HDMI input with an audio return channel. You get a 3.5mm auxiliary in, USB, and an optical audio input as well. So a few different ways to hook things up. You also have Bluetooth built into this one. I don't see anything labeled NFC, so I'm thinking you do not have NFC on this. And next is the subwoofer. Let's see if I can do this gracefully. And this is actually labeled. It says top up here on the styrofoam, so I'm assuming this is the top, which we will find out here in a moment. And it is. So there's our subwoofer. This is actually a pretty heavy subwoofer. It's I guess more of a budget-minded soundbar. They're not. It's kind of in the middle of the road for what they have to offer. But it's pretty substantial, and it looks really great. I don't know how it's going to come across on the camera, but in person it looks really nice. It's got kind of a brushed aluminum finish, really nice metal grill on this one. But overall, it's a great looking soundbar system. So we're kind of excited to actually get to test this thing out, and we'll leave you with our thoughts on that once we actually have a chance to listen to it. As always, we appreciate you guys checking out this unboxing video, and stay tuned because we'll have an overview on this for you as well.